Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the issue if your hotel diffuser is not working and what you can do to fix it. So the first thing that you can try is that you want to completely unplug it from the power outlet. When you're going to unplug it from power outlet, then you want to press and hold the low button. And when you're going to press and hold the low button, the 35% on your remote control, you just want to press and hold it, and then while holding the button you want to plug the diffuser back to the wall outlet. When you're going to plug it back in, you want to still hold the button, and then there could be like a red light on the diffuser flashing or something the diffuser should do. And when there's going to be a red light, you just want to release the low button, and that should probably like fix the issue. Maybe, I hope so. Then press any buttons on the remote control for the next 10 seconds, and that should be it. Now the thing is that if you're gonna look even on the reviews of this company on Facebook and things like that, they don't really have good reviews. So yeah, I hope it's going to fix the issue possible. I was like researching how we can possibly fix it, and I just found this thing here. So unplug it, press and hold the low button, then plug it back again, still hold it until you're gonna find like a red light flash or something, then release, and this should be it. So thank you very much, have a great day, and goodbye.